In the bus then. In the bus.
What do you think? Hi. You guys, look at this behemoth sparkle. Of course, this means that we'll have to make twice the mess, right?
Mm-hmm. Fuckers. Tasty.
Looks good. Looks good. Cotton candy, and try some.
Lick it.
It's pea flavored.
That's the truth.
So, after we rearranged our little backyard, it's time to bring the bus home to play a game of Will It Fit? Turns out if you take the gate off the hinges and get a running start, no mountain or curb is too hard to climb. What is it, guys? What is it? Daisy, did you go in there? Where are you? Hello? What you got? What's happening? What's going on in here? What's going on? What is this? What do you think, Daisy? What do you think? What do you think, baby girl? What's going on? Huh? Look at this. I know it's Daisy. It's a perfect seat for you. Opie, what do you think, baby? Huh? You gonna go on a ride? Come on. Don't pee on it. Whatever you do, don't pee on it. Oh, what's your daddy doing?
Oh.
What's wrong?
I can't all the way up the door. It's not far enough.
Oh, that's okay. We can move it. The doggies are loving it.
Hi, doggy.
Opie, don't pee on it. He's thinking about it. Don't pee on it.
I'll be like, here, you want to go read the duck?
What do you think? Come on. Opie, come here. Come here, Opie. Daisy loves it.
Okay, guys.
She said we can keep it. What do you think? What do you think? Huh? Don't pee on it. I know you're thinking about it. I know you're thinking about it. Daisy, did you bring your ball just so I would throw your ball in here? Huh? Oh boy. Ready? Go get it. Bring me the ball, Daisy. Give me the ball.
She brought a ball.
She brought a ball. Who give it? Oh, here we go. We're going for a ride. Who ready? Go sit down. Come on, sit. Sit. Oh boy. What do you think? Huh? Come on. Come on. You okay? Okay, you want me to go see if I can open it?
Yeah. See, this thing's all the way over.
Okay. Watch out. Watch out, pretty girl.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, say. Oh, Daisy. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Nope.
See Daisy jump out, she's like, ah!
Yeah, she's like, bye. Bye.
Day day.
What you think, huh?
I'll just leave it up. Hi, you back?
Hi.
You can leave it open. Let her just.
You wanna go to school? We going to school?
Let her play.
Yeah, right.
Hi.
Good. What's you doing, Daisy?
Here you go. I'll build like some little wooden stuff. Daisy's in the box. There you steps. There you go.
Daisy. Hi. Hi, baby.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Daisy.
Good girl.
Oh, hi. Bring it here. Hi. Oh, thank you. Can I have it? Can I have it? Opie. Hi, baby.
Look out, bright lights. The sun goes down.
Oh, thank you, Daisy, for the ball trying to trip me. I appreciate that. Every few steps that I'm trying to take like a smooth shot, Daisy's putting the ball in front of me, so I trip over it. Hi. What are you doing, Daisy? You gonna put the ball down in front of me so I trip on it again? Hmm? Oh, hi. Please excuse me. Please excuse. What are you doing? Hey, you're supposed to wait.
Yeah.
Supposed to wait for me. Excuse me. Nice ass.
Shoes on?
Complimenting your butt.